Okay, so here we have a Subaru Sambar. This is a 1997. And we're going to go ahead and remove the seats in this vehicle. There's going to be 4 bolts that we're going to remove. 2 in the front, 2 in the rear, and they're all a 12mm socket. Move the seat all the way forward. Now that we have the 4 bolts removed, 2 from the front and 2 from the rear, the seat will just pick up, move out of the vehicle. Now we're moving to the passenger side. What you're going to do is you're going to release this latch. Seat's going to come down, and you're going to remove the 4 bolts in the back of the floor. They're both, well, all 4 of them are 12mm as well. Now that you have the bolts out of the seat, you're just going to pick it up and it's going to come right out. Today we are installing the seat covers for the Subaru Sambar 1993 through 1998. So what we're going to want to do is grab our cover for the backrest, and we're going to take the longest side. The longest side is going to go towards the front of the seat. What we're going to do is just pull it over the top of the seat. Move your hands around to get any wrinkles out. Sometimes you might even have to put your hand up between the seat and the cover itself and work out any creases or anything you might have. Once you do that, all you're going to do is you're going to put this front flap through the seat. You're going to pull both the back and the front tight and Velcro it together. All right, now that we have the Velcro all attached, we're going to go ahead and flip the seat back over and take a look. Okay, fits really nice. Now we're going to work on the bottom. Okay, now we're going to put on the bottom seat cover. The bottoms will be labeled whether it's driver or passenger. This here is the driver. So basically what we're going to do is slide the cover over the seat. Okay, once we get the cover where it feels like it's in place, what we're going to do is put one hand on the seat here as we flip it over. So now that we have it flipped over, the front of the cover seems to be set on the seat properly. We're going to first come to the back of the seat and we're going to pull up and back on the cover, get it nice and snug. And what we're going to do is get these straps, and there's a hook already in the cover. You're going to go ahead and loop the first strap, loop the second strap. Now we can go ahead and do the same thing, kind of pull back and up a little bit on these straps. One has a hook already in it. And just go ahead and attach it. Now we'll go ahead and flip the seat over. Okay, so basically you're going to repeat the same process here for the passenger side seat. This one is going to be a little bit easier to attach the backrest as the seat will fold, so it makes it easier for you to get in there and pull down the cover and attach the Velcro. But otherwise, pretty simple, pretty easy. And you're just going to reverse the process of reinstalling them, put them back into the vehicle. So now to install the headrest covers, all we're going to do is go to the outside of the vehicle and we're going to remove 4 nuts on the back side. They're all 10mm. I've already gone ahead and removed them, so all we're going to do is just grab the backrest, pull it off. Okay, so now to install the headrest cover, what we're going to do is we're going to take the rope, and the rope is going to go towards the bottom of the headrest. Just wrap the cover around, flip it over. What you're going to do is you're going to pull the cover tight between these metal rails. Okay, you can go back and forth, get it to where it looks good, fits snug. Okay, and then all we're going to do, pull the strings tight, tie them. There you go. All right, now that this is all done, all you're going to do is go ahead and do the same thing to the other side, and then go ahead and reinstall this and put the 4 10mm nuts back on. That's it. Thank you for watching.